Today's recipe is roasted green vegetables. The ingredients are 2 cups fresh broccoli florets, 1 pound green beans cut into 2-inch pieces, 10 small mushrooms halved, 8 fresh Brussels sprouts halved, 2 medium carrots cut into 1/4 inch slices, 1 medium onion sliced, 3 to 5 garlic cloves thinly sliced. The dressing is 4 tablespoons of olive oil divided, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons minced fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon grated lemon peel, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and coat 2 baking sheets with cooking spray or use Silpat. In this demonstration, I only did a half recipe and I used 1 baking sheet. In a bowl, place the broccoli, the green beans, the mushrooms, the Brussels sprouts, carrots, and I had red onion on hand, so I used red onion, and the garlic cloves. You put in 2 tablespoons of the olive oil and coat the vegetables well. Spread your vegetables out on your baking sheet. And you roast in the oven 20 to 25 minutes or until tender. Stir occasionally. In another bowl, mix the olive oil, Parmesan cheese, parsley, lemon juice, and grated lemon peel, and the salt and pepper as a dressing. When the vegetables are done, put them in a serving bowl and top with your dressing.